The Cyborg 15 stands out with its translucent black chassis, giving it a futuristic cyberpunk vibe. It's relatively lightweight for a gaming laptop at just 2.1 kilo and measures 22.15 to 23.15 millimeter thick, making it portable without compromising cooling. It's powered by Intel's Core i7-240H that's 10 cores and 16 threads, with turbo speeds up to 5.2 GHz. Pair that with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, and you've got a machine that boots fast, loads faster, and multitasks like a dream. The real highlight is the NVIDIA RTX 5060 laptop GPU with 8 GB of GDDR5 RAM. It pushes out some serious AI and ray trace performance with 572 AI tops. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring run smooth even on high settings, thanks to the dynamic boost that powers the GPU up to 1455 MHz at 55W. Battery-wise, the 55.2B Li polymer pack gives you around 4 to 6 hours of casual use, decent for a gaming laptop, but don't expect all-day unplugged power. You've got a 15.6-inch Full HD display, running at a super smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're grinding ranked matches or editing video, that IPS-level panel gives you great color and sharp viewing angles. In terms of ports, you've got everything you need. 1x USB-C with DisplayPort and power delivery, 2x USB-A, 3.2 Gen 2 HDMI, 2.1 for 4K at 60 Hz, RJ45 Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth 5.3 for blazing fast wireless. The 4-zone RGB keyboard is both stylish and functional, with good travel and a nice tactile feel. MSI even added a dedicated Copilot key, which is great for Windows AI features. Webcam HD type, 30 FPS 720p. Audio comes through dual 2W speakers, with high-res audio and DTS audio processing support. It's loud and clear, though for immersive gaming, you'll still want a headset. So who's this laptop for? If you're a gamer, content creator, or student who needs high performance, without breaking the bank, the MSI Cyborg 15 delivers impressive value. Great display, strong internals, and AI-ready graphics. It's future-proof, sleek, and surprisingly affordable.